Who did this to you?
This woman.
Who?
Pastor.
Pastor who?
Chimeleze.
Can you point her? Go and point her.
No, beat me.
Welcome back, my people. Anita way now, that's girl way of recent it done the hot for social media way. Her boyfriend he be beat am. She don't speak out, my beautiful people. She don't tell the truth about what happened. And I did bring another wonderful tidings for una. When this were prophetess for Onitsha, una the member na Chineneze, my people, it don't come out. The pikin then don't talk out their mind because up to date, my people, this mommy did deny say he no beat this pikin them. Anyway, before one dive inside the matter, in their first time this way it is stop for KONGOSSA&GOSSIP TV. You're welcome. Please do enter with your popcorn. For all the returning subscribers, I thank you for the support way. Una don't give this channel, and if you're here you've not yet subscribed, please do well to smash that red subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your post notification so that whenever we upload you'll be amongst the first to be notified and you hurry rush here. Thank you as you do so, my people. So this matter for this our prophetess for Onitsha, una the member now where he be talk say they pound the pikin them, where they be catchy for Onitsha, my people, where they meet up traces of blood everywhere. They meet up things for rituals, they meet up concoctions, they meet up all kinds of things for her house, my people. And they meet up pikin the way they be unconscious. They meet up pikin some one way he don't broke his arm. They meet up 2 boys and 1 girl still alive, my people. She always deny allegations. She talk say no, she never do anything for those children. Where of recent I make updates way. She confess say she adopt this pikin for one Madam Clara, my people. Una the member now. If you never watch the video, now the Madam Clara this. If you never watch any of this video, I go put the link them for you. Kuna see am. The first one where they catch the woman, they carry and go police station, and the second one where the woman confess how she adopt this pikin for this Madam Clara, my people. This matter, it just the worry. As I see how this pikin and use their mouth to talk, look how they are, my people. Very, very, that is, these children have gone through a lot. They have been traumatized. Even if what it take happen, they will not forget this anytime soon. I go leave on the video, make una listen how this pikin they open their mouth and now this woman he do this kind of thing for them. Say she they push them for inside gutter, she they push them for downstairs, she they flog them anyhow, anything where you do. Say that allegation where he take talk say now because say this girl own they take touch walking stick for these 2 other little ones. They say that they fornicate, but no be him beat, no be her beat them, my people. All that one are fake because pikin they no go lie this can lie. Una see her pikin they see get those traces for head, they see get those wounds for their head, the scars them. The one way he be get broken arm, my people, they struggle for help. Say me that arm he come back to order, my people. I go live on this thing. Me una watch her. Me una tell me to wait to think about this whole matter. Whether this story where the woman they talk so now it be true or not.
In mid-February, police operatives attached to 33 police station in Kwele, Ezunaka, Anambra State, working with a local vigilante group, raided the property of a self-acclaimed pastor, Joyce Raymond, and her 80-year-old mother, following intelligent reports of suspicious criminal activities. Their discovery is indeed shocking. In the building are 3 toddlers confined and lying helplessly in different rooms with varying degrees of injuries, one of them with a fractured hand. The suspects were immediately arrested and children taken into custody for immediate medical attention. It's been several weeks since that incident, and the children are back at the Anambra State Police Command headquarters, Amobia, looking better, accompanied by the State Commissioner for Women Affairs, Ndidi Mezwe. Authorities at the police command give an update on the incident.
A preliminary investigation so far revealed that the suspect, Madam Rejoice, allegedly bought the 3 children at the rate of 3,050,000 naira from a woman called Madam Sabina, izuora, who is a social welfare worker who allegedly sold the children is still at large.
The injuries inflicted on their bodies owing to physical and emotional torture is still obvious as the children continue to recuperate in custody of the state government. They recount their experience under the former caregiver.
Who did this to you?
This woman.
Who?
Pastor.
Pastor who?
Chimeleze.
Can you point her? Go and point her.
No, beat me. She would throw me in the step, push me in the gutter. And Pastor beat me.
Who?
Pastor Chimeleze.
Chimeleze who?
See, I'm here. You came room, knife, beat me.
What did you do to her?
I know then.
The Ministry of Women and Children Affairs Anambra State will not relent in taking care of these lovely children while the case is being investigated. And I pray as they go on investigating the matter, let the law take its course.
Not the one that but treat them.
Rejoice Raymond continues to deny inflicting any wound on the children as the police display some of the exhibits recovered from the home of the suspect.
My people, now don't hear what our prophetess don't talk. So this one a matter for ground where it dey now, and the matter na DSVRT. It don't bust heart for talk about this girl what way it happened to Ram. And when they talk of DSVRT, na domestic sexual violence response team, they don't come out talk say anybody where it gets information about this Anita case, make it come out because say the one help do justice. But before one talk, I we hear what Anita get for talk.
Anita, the girl going viral on this time on social media right now. So yesterday, it all happened yesterday when I got home. My boyfriend called me to Uganda yesterday that I should come to Uganda, and I really followed him because I trusted him. When I got there, at the receptionist there, they started beating me, they molested me. My ex-boyfriend came and he took my phone, started posting all videos, taking it viral, and everything that I was saying was all wrong about me. I never did anything. Please, you guys should help me. I'm innocent of everything.
My people, now don't hear what Anita he don't talk. He talk say he be innocent of all the allegation way her boyfriend he post and for out say she dey cheat on him, and she talks say when you were cheating on me, so now because he cheats now whether he go cheat my people. And as soon as don't hear before, domestic and sexual violence response team he don't call out say anybody where he get any tangible information about Anita and about her boyfriend, may they come out because justice must take its course. My people, what do not think about this matter? I say the matter say no, this one is some sort of update. I suppose bring them. The girl it don't go into depression. Now this kind of matter for social media way, it go send you take your own hand, you send yourself for RIP, or you go into depression. What the people want this day of today? And you not go alone, you drag your friends, go the beat person daughter like that for hotel room. What kind of manner of action is this? Now this one way it go take big B now wife beats her or girlfriend molest her. My people, what you not think about this whole matter? The thing it pain me now. I say no, make I rush bring them. Make anybody where he know anything about Anita, may he go for these people there. It suck him so that boyfriend so he get for year and two for him body. The same way Anita take year and for him body when he begin the beat her. My people, what kind of wahala be this? Anyway, my people, will go stop this video for here. If you dare you never yet subscribe, I beg just smash that red subscribe button. You like, you share the video, and you leave us comments for comment section. I go see you on the next time. Thank you.